Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your girl. You see, yes. So guys, as you all know, most of you all know that I went to Ghana. Yes, I was in Ghana. So I'm gonna make a dish that I eat in Ghana while I was there. I'm gonna make some Kelewele. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I think that's the right pronunciation. Kelewele, Kelewele. Yeah. So it's made of plantain. So right here you see I have my ripe plantain. I'm gonna peel my plantain, I'm gonna dice my plantain, and the spices that I'm gonna put on it, I have some crushed ginger right here, I have some chili pepper, I have some garlic powder, and I have some cloves. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Kelewele. Yes. So right about now I'm gonna peel my plantain, cut it down like so. And this is ripe plantain, guys. It's not too ripe, it's not too soft, it's not too hard. So I'm gonna dice it into, be careful guys when you're doing it so you don't cut your finger. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna slice it like this in pieces like this. Guys, this is a lovely dish. I like it. When I was in Ghana, we eat a lot of this. I like it. Guys, me love Ghana. Ghana is home for me. I love Ghana. The people are so friendly, the people are so nice. I miss everyone. I miss Samson, I miss Eric, I miss Lizzie, I miss Inkuma, I miss Eric Shatawale, I miss Francis the browser, and I miss Sadia. I miss Mummy and Daddy, everybody. So guys, I cut up my plantain. As you can see, I dice up my plantain very small. It's just one plantain I have. I'm just gonna try it because it's my first time making it, so I'm just gonna use one plantain for now. So what I'm gonna do, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I have a bowl right here. So I'm gonna put a plantain inside that I just dice up. See, putting my plantain inside. So I'm gonna put my spices over my plantain. Guys, I wash my hands, so don't come for me. And furthermore, I'm doing it for myself. So I put my spices on. Oh my god, this smells so nice. The ginger, the garlic, the pepper. Oh my god. So my hand is already washed. I wash my hands. So I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna mix it around. Spices on the plantain. So guys, I said I'm making Kelewele. Kelewele. It's a Ghanaian dish, yeah. And I love it while I was in Ghana. Jamaican in Ghana, cooking Ghana food, eh? Tell me about that. So guys, now that I put the season on it, on the plantain, I'm gonna put it down for marinate for a bit, so if maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I fry my Kelewele. Kelewele, yes. So my oil is hot to put in my Kelewele. So the guys, the proper pronunciation is Kelewele. Kelewele. So my oil is hot. I'm gonna put them in now. So guys, I put them in the pot, in the frying pan, in the Dutch pot, whatever you call it. So yeah. So guys, the frying pan. I'm turning them. So that's how I make my Kelewele, Ghanaian food. And so guys, it smells so nice. I can smell the nice aroma coming from that Kelewele. Yes, yes, yes. Kelewele. Yeah. So it's almost finished. Almost finished. Look at it. Nice color. So guys, that's the finished product of my Kelewele. Kelewele, and I'm having it with some nice hot chocolate and into my Ghana cup. Yes, that's my Kelewele. 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 And this is a meal, this is a Ghanaian dish. When I was in Ghana, I loved it. So I said when I come to Canada, let me try and make it, and I did a perfect job. So guys, it's ripe plantain, and I put some spices. I put some chili pepper, crushed ginger, crushed garlic, and some cloves. The only thing I didn't put is onion. I should put some I should crush some onion. That's the only thing I didn't put on it, but it tastes good. As I said, I'm having it in my cup. I love Ghana. Yes, Jamaican making Ghana dish.